going on, guys? Welcome back to a new YouTube video. And I recently just got home a few minutes ago and I did my homework. I did all my stuff. So I'm free and I got nothing else to do. So I have some bad news. If you guys haven't, if you guys watch my videos, you guys probably know I have an Apple Watch. You guys probably noticed it on my wrist. But yesterday, which was Monday, there was no school. So I went to my aunt's house and I had my Apple Watch on, right? And then I don't know what happened, but I slammed my I think I was gonna scratch my head or something. I don't even know. I think I was fixing my hair or something. And then somehow I slammed my hand into the wall and it cracked my Apple Watch. So there's a scratch on the Apple Watch. So I gotta try to get it fixed. But I'm really upset because I use it all the time. For real, I use my Apple Watch all the time. I'll show you guys a clip. This is what it looks like. Okay guys, I'm not sure if you guys could see it, but there's a crack there. You guys can see there's some scratches right down there, and then there's also a big crack right there. You guys kind of see that crack right there? That's where I cracked it. By the way guys, Happy New Year. Yeah, I have so many goals this year. I hope I could accomplish them. Yeah, I got these glasses. Yeah. But yeah, guys, that is how my Apple Watch broke, sadly. I'm trying to get it fixed as soon as possible, so I think I'm gonna have it fixed this weekend. I'm not sure how much it's gonna cost. I heard you could fix it at the Apple store, so I'm gonna try to take it there, get it fixed. But damn, I should not have banged my hand back on the wall. I don't know why I even I broke my Apple Watch. I cracked it. What the? But yeah, that's how my Apple Watch broke. Okay guys, so I'm about to go outside and play in the snow, and yeah, we're gonna see how cold it is outside. I'm gonna take my GoPro with me because it's a waterproof GoPro, so that's gonna work out really good. My hair's such a mess. But yeah, we're gonna go outside, try to build a snowman, see if it works. I don't think it might work because the snow may not be that sticky anymore, so yeah, we're gonna see how it goes though. So yeah, see us in the next clip. Okay guys, so I'm outside right now. This is all snow. It's so bad, really bad quality. Look at this. It's at least up to my I'm not sure. Hold on, let's see. It's at least a foot or something of snow. Look at this. That's my foot right here. We have no school tomorrow.
Oh, you?
Yeah.
There's school for me tomorrow and I'm not going.
Are you for real? Yo, it's up to my feet. Look. There's a big mountain here. No. Chill.
Maybe you're going for a roller coaster?
Yeah.
Exactly.
But still, I don't want to get no. The only reason I have this outside is because it's waterproof. How'd you get up there? Oh. Look at our Christmas lights. Ouch. The snow is actually so deep. Look, it's up to right there. The snow doesn't even stick anymore. sorry.
You got it my whole glass.
Wait, let me chill.
Look. Good job.
Let's see.
Chill. Really chill. Hold up. Yeah, you're trying to really fucking down.
Ew, it tastes like salt.
I told you it tastes like salt. Ew.
That's better.
That's better.
No, it's from that side because that was on the street. And there was salt on there. What are you gonna do?
I'm gonna come hold myself
I
so
can't
I
see
know
you.
where I'm
The
gonna
lighting is
die.
so bad.
Ready?
What?
Okay, this is where I'm gonna die. Watch, ready?
Let's bury you. Hold on. Can I bury you? You got it in the camera.
Oh well. Go help me up.
It's too cold for this.
Okay, this is where I'm gonna die. Watch, ready?
Okay guys, so I came back inside because it was really cold outside and I was like, no, I'm not staying out there. I lasted like 30 minutes or something because I could not like stay out there. It was freezing. Everybody went inside. I was like all wet because my clothes were all wet with snow, and yeah, it's cold. There's a lot of snow actually. It's up to like my leg. It's like at least a foot of snow and it's crazy. But yeah, see us in the next clip. Okay guys, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below. I ended this video right here because like I got pranked by my brother and it was crazy. But you guys will see that video coming up tomorrow, I believe, or the day after tomorrow. But yeah, it was a really crazy prank. He really got me and you'll see it. It's crazy. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. By the way, my brother started a YouTube channel. Go check it out. His name is Uzhca on YouTube. Look him up. And yeah, I'll leave a link to his channel down below because you guys probably won't find it yet. He needs like a few subscribers so you guys can find it. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below. And see you guys next time. Peace out.
Tell me what you see. Is it money or it's me? I smoke 20, smell a weed. I got honeys in my